Guilty ka ba of comparing yourself unfavorably with others? Sa panahon ngayon na expose ang marami sa atin sa social media, naa-update tayo sa buhay ng iba. Kasama na dito syempre yung mga achievements nila, travels, career, mga kinahihiligang kainin o bilhin, mga events o highlights ng buhay nila. Isa ka ba sa seryosong napapa-comment na lang ng sana all? Aminin mo na, it's a real struggle to be on social media and not compare yourself to others. Don't be a victim of this comparison trap. Otherwise, you'll suffer from feelings of jealousy, frustration, discontentment, inferiority, or much worse, hopelessness. Comparison puts your mental health and joy at risk. Sabi nga ni Theodore Roosevelt, comparison is the thief of joy. Also, let me quote Desiderata. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter, for always there will be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Paano nga ba natin maiiwasan na ikumpara ang sarili sa iba? Una, keep an attitude of gratitude. If being grateful becomes our habit, our lifestyle, it's going to change us inwardly in a positive way. Kung thankful tayo, we shift our mind to what we have instead of focusing on what others have. Kaya we become happier, more optimistic, and we can even rejoice with the blessings and success of others. Kaya in application, ito yung assignment ko sa'yo. Each day, make it a practice to list down or kahit banggitin mo man lang at least 3 reasons why you are thankful. Example, thankful ako today kasi hinatid ako ng asawa ko sa work. Or kung estudyante ka, maybe we would say, thankful ako today kasi na-approve yung isa sa 3 research titles na sinubmit namin. Or kung negosyante ka, thankful ako today kasi nakabenta ako ng 10 damit online. Pangalawa, focus on your strengths. Don't you realize that you have the capacity to create your own successes? Just continue pursuing the things that will help you grow and develop as a person. Compete with yourself. Make it an aim to be better than you were yesterday. And don't forget to appreciate or celebrate the little advancements you are making. If you are busy improving, nurturing, empowering, and enriching yourself, baka wala ka ng oras niyan para ikumpara pa ang sarili sa iba.